This is Zboy Montebon. Previously on akong life.
Hey guys, we're here. Sa sobra ka-excited nila sa klase na uniform yun.
Magara-gara sa Zboy.
Papasok na po kami sa Our Lady of Manawag Grocery Center. Refreshing.
Ako po.
Guys, tapos na mga patay. Dito yung falls. Oh, this is the magnificent falls. Guys, ka-weird aning nga razor. Eh, anong bata ang model? Mama! I miss you. Hey guys, good evening. Nandito tayo sa bahay nila Kuya Journey dahil dito tayo matutulog. Nanonood po kami ng mga Life of Saints, movie Mara po. Hi guys, good morning! Still, nandito pa rin tayo kay Kuya Journey. At ngayon nga po ay magbababay na tayo sa ating mga balbas dahil pasukan na at sabi ng teacher ko kahapon na ang pangit-pangit ko daw tignan dahil dito. So tatanggalin natin siya, kukuha tayo ng gunting. Ito na yung gunting. So ayan na yun, tungin na natin siya. Ayoko eh. Pero sayang kasi yung pag-grow ko nito. Ito, hindi ko to gustong tanggalin, pero ang pogi ko. I'll just get back to you kapag natapos ko na itong tanggalin. Iisip pa ako kung tatanggalin ko ba talaga. Hello guys, good morning. Nandito na tayo sa school at ayun na, tingnan nyo na yung face ko, ang linis-linis na. How's the feeling na bagong pasukan na naman?
Actually, it's so overwhelming. Nananako sa eskwelahan pero happy.
Hi, good morning guys. I'm with Kikaria. So, din ako nasulti ninyo guys, no, na napatupin ako. Wala na ako nasulti sa intro ganun. Hi guys, nandito tayo sa Gaisano ngayon. At, hi ma'am. Thank you ma'am nga, gipasuway. Gipasuway minimo aning ka ng crocodile stuff like that. Duwa to Celia.
Sige tayo, Silya.
One.
Sige.
Hello.
Yung, ikaw na.
Ako.
Nakatry na lang ikaw. Apple John. Ako, B.
Sige, ikaw Jun.
Oh, ha?
Sige.
Ikaw na galing na sa lamit.
Hala, TV.
Ikaw na, Jun.
Hala, puminon ako, Jun.
Go, Zboy.
Hi guys, we're here at the Toy Kingdom.
Taking down.
Found the creepiest thing ever. Tung. Among i-prank sila. Okay, sige, go, mama, go.
Like that.
Hi. Okay, Zayna. Wow. Wow.
Lovely.
Heater. Wow, wala ka, nice.
Oh my God, I love that one.
Ganahan ko sa bitin.
Nice.
Catch, Zboy.
Kaya na kayo talaga. Ate ba si Boy? Bibi?
Bibi?
Si Zboy na amaze ani nga duwaan.
Gumagawa po ng cake yung tita ko and look at what she made here. Ayan, so this is mamaya, titikman natin yan. Maraming nasasabi sa akin na ano pala, medyo na-weirduhan sila sa face ko kasi bumata daw ako nang tinanggal ko yung beard ko. Hey guys, guess what? Hindi lang cake ang ginagawa ng tita ko. Also, so this is how it's made po from the rice cooker. Hi guys, at ngayon nga titikman na natin ang luto ng ating Mami Daday. At tinatawag niya to na cheesy puto cake. Wow. Maglalagay ako ng number mamaya dito sa baba para makontak nyo kami para kung magpapagawa kayo ng ganyan. So, me and my siblings are eating fries as a midnight snack. Hey guys, good evening. I haven't vlogged for a while because I am sick. Inubo po ako tsaka sinisipon. But still, I managed to vlog and today we are having a siblings night out. IDC Jess, Yo-Yo, and Yukelski. Hey guys, this is Yukel and Zboy. We're here at Carmen Plaza. Hey, we're here at Plaza.
Wala ginagawa na gano'n ka na silang doon.
What was funny though?
There's a fucking swimming pool.
You're so ugly. So there's a pool in there, and then so what's gonna do?
Can you believe that I will show my iPhone X there?
Are you serious? Interview one of the coolest kids on the block, which is Zboy Montebon in Bury. So how to keep up strong bond in siblings? Channel.
Why are we close right now? We used to be fighting, bitch.
Did you go and say my idea?
Huy.
Boy, don't you ever do that. We love nature. We are a nature lover channel.
The mayor gonna fight the perfect ba? Like, awara ang ilang nyo guys. Uy, grabe itaas pas ibang dreams.
So what are we gonna do today to make this vlog interesting?
100. Sorry.
That was funny. Jess, can you please stop watching My Days?
Ayoko mo anha, tijikil kay lapok. Ikaw.
Wow, what a beautiful brother it is.
You're filming me.
Oh my god, they're police. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Just gonna tell a story about Chikal.
Yeah. We can tell the story about Chikala.
When we were kids, she used to hate police cars. Like, she's so afraid. We're walking in the streets. Chikal was like, Kuya, get down, there are police.
And they're like, oh my god, oh shit.
Which is funny as fuck. Guys, this is Zboy, and today is vacant time! Vacant time! Wow, ganda naman ng mga lighting sa school. Video man to, Sel. Video ba? Yeah, we're here at the Korean class. Ukay. We're gonna find stops here. Hey guys! Wow, that view! Is this amazing? We're at SM. Oh my god! It looks like Lelepods! Hi, Lelepods! We're nuts! Hey guys! We're going home na sa bahay kasi merong emergency.
Okay,
Ako na ang tricycle
ang tricycle nga rin.
Oh.
Nabalik ko. Basta sa tung...
Nanyagit mo, Maika.
Oh.
Nya, unsa man ang feeling jud ninyo na nanggawas mo tanan.
Katong pagkatabuon sa man imong gibuhat.
And of course, I'm gonna tell you the story kung bakit kami umuwi bigla and why are we kinda upset dun sa video namin.